Yeah, Jim, when I've sent a package, sometimes they tell me it's overweight, meaning it weighs simply too much. So how would they say that?
They would say 包裹超重了。
包裹超重了。
包裹 means package.
包裹
超重 means overweight.
超重。
超 means exceed.
超
重 means weight.
重。
超重。
超重 overweight.
包裹超重了。
包裹超重了。The package is overweight.
请帮我称一下包裹，看一看有没有超重。
好的，您的包裹的确超重了。
Sometimes I want to send it by airmail.
You can say 我要寄封航空信。
我要寄封航空信。
我要 I want to.
我要
寄 means mail.
寄
封 is a measure word for letter. Here it means one.
封
航空 means by air.
航空
信 letter.
信
航空信 airmail.
航空信。
我要寄封航空信。
我要寄封航空信。I want to send it by airmail.
我要寄封航空信。
好的，请稍等。
So what's the Chinese for how long will it take to arrive?
You can ask them that by saying 多长时间能到？
多长时间能到？
多长时间 how long?
多长时间
能 means could.
能
到 arrive.
到？
多长时间能到？
多长时间能到？ How long will it take to arrive?
这个包裹多长时间能到？
大概3-4天。
Now let's say I want to mail a letter, which of course needs stamps. So how do I ask how many stamps I need in Chinese?
It's 要多少钱邮票？
要多少钱邮票？
要 is short for 需要 which means need.
要
多少钱 how much?
多少钱
邮票 stamp.
邮票？
要多少钱邮票？
要多少钱邮票？ How many stamps?
要多少钱邮票
4块。
Keywords reminder. Stamp. 邮票. This package is overweight. 包裹超重了. I'd like to send this by airmail. 我要寄封航空信. How long will it take to arrive? 多长时间能到? All in today's Chinese studio.
Well, that's it for postage week. This stuff will come in handy for foreigners sending stuff back to their friends and family at home, I'm sure, Yaj.
Time for our question of the day.
How do you say, how long will it take to arrive in